Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share notes with another user here in Evernote. Let's begin. Sharing notes here in Evernote with another user is a simple process that is helpful if you're working on a project with others, especially in a collaborative environment. So, if you want to create a new note right here, for example, this, I'm going to start a new note and I'm going to share this with my client. And of course, if you're working with multiple freelancers or team members. So how to share another, how to share notes with another user, right? Now I'm going to add an image here. Click the plus icon. I'm going to click the image. And then I need you to click the three dots icon on the top right corner. You see there is an option that says share note, right? But you have to make sure that they have an access level to the notes that you wanted to share. You see this general access, it's restricted right now. I want you to click the arrow button and you can choose from any of the following. Anyone with the link can view, or anyone with the link can edit. So it's up to you if you're comfortable using these options. Now, just enter their name or email. So for example, I'm going to put in this and click the copy link and share button. All right. From here, you can choose any of the following. You can share it to a Gmail or a Google Drive. If I click the Gmail, I will be forwarded to this section. And of course, I can send it to my client right here. And then create a title. All right, and click on send. It's easy. All right. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that the recipient should have an Evernote account to access. And again, you might sure that the permissions for viewing or editing are set in place. If you're sharing via other methods like email or message, the recipient may be able to view but not edit it unless they have an Evernote account. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.